Hi! Welcome to Mew Mew's Ice Cream Truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome! Phew, I am soaked with sweat. Let me have some ice food to beat the heat. Ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. Chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Nuts can make the chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. Next, let's roast some more marshmallows and put them on top of the ice cream. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings. Wow! The ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready! Our customer must be very satisfied. Ooh. This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had! You can get truck decorations by making ice treats. The props are all here. Tap and check them out.